This village almost looks like an art museum. Well, it has 6 of them and over 130 artists. Why are there so many artists here in the middle of the moorland? And who the hell designed these houses? On my trip with a bicycle camper, I regularly come across interesting and unique things. Worpswede near Bremen is definitely one of them. The first mentions go back to 1218 when people settled on the Weierberg, a 54-meter high hill in the Teufelsmoor northwest of Bremen. So far, it is a completely normal village that retains its charm during the industrialization of 19th century, until the art student Fritz Mackensen from Düsseldorf came to the village in 1884. Together with a few fellow students, they settled here. Drawn by the wide horizon and picturesque sunsets. You can't blame them for that. The landscape served as a motif for numerous paintings, and Worpswede became an important place for Impressionism and landscape painting in Germany. Over the next few years, countless well-known artists and writers came to Worpswede, including Paula Modersohn-Becker, Gerhard Hauptmann, Thomas Mann and Heinrich Vogler, last of whom was responsible for transforming this farmhouse into today's cozy Bakenhof and designed the Worpswede train station. The somewhat quirky buildings, Worpswede Art Hall, the Große Kunstschau, the so-called Schießball, and Café Worpswede, an attempt to build a house without construction drawings and without right angles, were all built in this period. Over the time, the artist collective continued to exist, and today there are numerous small galleries, 6 large museums, and over 130 resident artists, and on top almost every other resident is also somehow connected to art. The Café Worpswede has been undergoing renovation since 2019, but there's also lots more to discover, and everything is connected to nature. In the summer month, Worpswede can be reached on Saturdays and public holidays with the historic Moor Express from Bremen or Stade. Otherwise, you can get to Worpswede from Bremen in around 40 minutes by bus.